I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring in affordable hair, makeup, pretty much everything, girl, on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get right into this video. Now, the unit on my head is by Outre, and it's a lace front wig, and I have her in the style Kimora, and the color is 1B. Stock card look like this. Girl, on the stock card, I love this color. I wish I had gotten that color, but I don't know why. Like, I was playing it safe by getting a 1B, but girl, she is like layers for days. They have like the perfect swoop right here, and I mean it's proportion on both sides, because you know sometimes we be getting these swoop wigs and they are not proportioned on each side. Now I'm trying to cover up my little struggle baby hairs, because you know I'm not a baby hair person, and I did try, because this unit came with like hella baby hair at the front, and it's like cut for the perfect portion. So if you are a baby hair person, this wig is perfect for you. Construction of the wig: there is combs in the front, two combs in the front, right by the parting space, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. This hair does have lace, like a little bit of lace at the front, like, so there's lace at the front that you do have to cut off, but literally it's just the parting. So if you want another different style of parting, girl, there ain't one. So unless you're gonna shift your hair to the left or to the right, and I don't know if you think it will even look right, girl, because it literally is just, that's it, girl, that's it. So yeah, let's get into this unit. Now, I will leave this in the description box where I did purchase this unit, and where you can, in a few places where you can purchase hair from. But I like her. I think she is really nice. I did not get any shut-in, and I did not get any tangling. Now, this is a synthetic unit, so over time you will get tangling, you will get shut-in, especially since that it is pretty long. It is by my waist, so, and I'm sitting down, so that's a good amount of length, girl. Like, and I'm 5'3", so you can take that for reference. I am 5'3", and she hits me at my waist sitting down. Now, I don't know, like, I feel like, well, no, they have a bunch of other colors on this, under here, like, yeah, they have a bunch of other stuff on there. Now, this says that it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I guess you could try her putting heat to her. As you know, I don't normally put heat to synthetic units, but you can try and put heat to her to see if you can get like this hump out of the top right here. I didn't have any heat to it, so I know like here could have been a lot more flatter, and you could probably like get here straightened out a bit more. I don't know if you could bump this part or not. As I said before, I don't normally put heat to it, and I did not glue this wig down, because as you guys know, well, if you're old but a goodie, you would know that I do not glue wigs down. I just kind of like finesse them and put them on my head, because I have a protruding hairline. So even gluing wigs down, kind of like, they rip my edges out, and I'm trying to keep my edges this year, not lose them, so I don't be gluing wigs down. So if you want to glue her down, you can, because as again I said before, there is lace there, so you can glue the wig down. I just choose not to, so you can go right ahead and do that and make it look even more seamlessly and more natural. But I do think it is a very nice unit. It is soft, and it is pre-plucked, as they said. It looks really cute. I think actually for the summertime, I think I'll probably be pulling her out, because she has that, like, look at that, it is beautiful, and the body, like, it has a good density on it for a synthetic unit. It has like this natural shine to it. It do not look like plasticky, like plasticky whatever. Yeah, I struggle with words sometimes, girl. Okay, so it does look kind of, it don't look kind of cheap. It look actually like it's some bundle hair back based off the layering and how it is, and it just has like this matte black. Now it is like for a 1B, I think it's on the darker side of a 1B. Like, you know, you have some 1B that run a little more ashy, and then some that runs a little bit more darker. It is not a 1, because I can tell you right now, a 1 is a whole lot darker. But this is pretty much what 1B on Outre side does look like. I know that 1B on Sensational is a little bit more subtle, not so dark, and that looks more natural. But I do like this 1B that is a little bit more darker, because it kind of makes me look a little bit more richer and nicer in complexion, and it complements my skin so well. I love the feathering effect right here. It's just like everything, girl. Like, I honestly think that if I tried it in a different color, I probably would even love her even more. But this natural color, it's really cool. Like, I think, like, just like, come on, like, all that. And it's really, really thick. For the summer, she gonna be cute. She gonna be cute. I'll be putting her, I mean, I don't normally like wearing long wigs in the summer, but we gonna make it do what it do. So let me show you what the hair looks like from all different angles. So obviously this is what the hair looks like to the front of the unit. Well, to the frontal view, this is what all the hair looks like. Let me show you what she looks like from the right, well, the left side. So this is what she looks like from the left side. This is what she looks like from the right side. And this is what she looks like, all the hair in the back. Again, she is pretty nice, pretty affordable. I can't remember how much I paid for this unit, but I know it's not like 30 something dollars for it. Don't quote me. Again, I will leave everything down in the description box. I'm pretty sure she's not like $30 or anything like that, but so she's on the really on the affordable side of this. And if she isn't even $30 or more, I don't think she's nowhere past 40, girl. So she is very affordable. She's really nice. For a synthetic unit, like, honestly, these synthetic units are getting better and better, so it's kind of hard to be like they ain't worth it, because they are. Like, they are coming with some units that are like here for your coins, and make other people who are wearing this frontal be like, girl, is that what great hair that you're in? Like, girl, I pick her from my beauty supply store, she cheap. And people like, girl, that can't be true. So these synthetic units are coming, they're coming out and slaying, girl. I love it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think about Miss Kimora. I think she is giving me all types of life. I love it. I love it. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I do have wear test videos and all that good stuff up on my channel, and more coming your way, so don't forget to look out for that. And if you made it to the end of this video, girl, so join our family. I don't know if you know, but we friendly over here. Join our family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like the video or not. Let me know if you like this type of content or not. Let me know what you want me to do. If there's anything out there you want me to review, girl, let me know down in the description box down below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, family. Hell, share it with your neighbor. We don't care. Just share the dang video, girl. That's all I'm saying. Don't forget to like binge watch my other videos, come back again, and turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I do upload, because right now I don't have a set schedule because school is kind of like kicking my butt and stuff. So we working on it. But at least we ain't disappeared for like forever. So make sure you stay tuned for the new contents that is coming up on this channel, girl. We trying to do a whole lot, but we don't have much time, so we kind of like working on what we got. Okay, and until next time, that's pretty much it. Oh, how can I forget this part? Follow me on my social medias. They're all going to be down in the description box down below. Instagram and all that will be in the description box, so you don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and stuff like that, girl. Yeah, and I think that's about it. I think I've rambled on enough. Let me know what you think about her, if you'll be purchasing her, if you purchased her, if you like her or not, if it's you know what I mean, if it's my imagination about this unit because I think she's doing it, but my preference may not be other people's preferences. So until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.